Hello everyone. In this video, I want to tell you how to download the VS Code. So just open your Google Chrome. Here you have to type download VS Code. Okay. Just press the enter. Click on the first link. So here the option is given to you. If your PC is Windows 10 and 11, you have to install this one. If you have a Mac, so you have to install this one. Okay. So why this is important? Because we do the programming coding. So like C, C++, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any programming language you are doing. So we have to write down here in this VS Code software. This is very important software. So many industries, school, college students use the VS Code. This is a very popular software because we have to write down the code, so some error is coming, so he will be suggesting to you, so numbers of errors come less. Okay, so my PC is Windows, so I have to download the Windows. Click on the Windows. Here, look here in the top, our VS Code is downloading. This is the downloading symbol. Here I have to click, so look, my VS Code is downloading. Okay, when downloading complete, just double click on it. Now, so we have to write down any code, programming language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. So lots of programming language we are doing in the VS Code. Okay. So it's downloading complete. So now what I do, I just double click. So it's open. When it's open, so you have to select the I accept the agreement. So I accept the agreement, then you have to click next. All the four icons, all the four, you have to right tick. Now then you have to click next. Then you have to click on the install. So your VS Code will be installed. So your VS Code will be installed. Okay. When the VS Code install, what you do, just uh, click on the finish. Okay, so now VS Code is automatically open. So this is the VS Code. Here some option given to you, like from the starting I will told you. Here the file icon, so you have to click on the file. I just zoom it. Okay, now you have to click on the file. So most of the work, so you open your folders, new files, these option is available. Okay, now you have to run your code, so you have to click here, start debugging. Okay, now, so here is the some icon given to you. First icon is Explorer. So when you click on the Explorer, this section will be hide. When you once again click, so this will become. So you have to make a folder. So this is the new folder option. Suppose here I make the folders my um, my my name. So my personal. So I make a folder my personal. When the folder is created, so you have to click. So I have to make a file. Suppose you make a Python file. So I just write down the my file name hello.py. Okay. So this is the my file. So here we have in this area we have to write down the code. Okay. So when you write down the codes, you have to just hide this section. Suppose in the Python I write down the code print command and double quotes hello Python. Okay, now how to run our Python program? Just here is the run command is given to you. You have to click on it, so our code is will be run hello Python. Okay, this is the way we have to run our first program. Now next section is search option. This is the source control. So we have to push our code on the some other platform, like we have to store our code in the GitHub account. So we have to do it in this activity. Okay. So this is the run command here also given to you. This is the extension and testing and live shares. This is the account section. Here is your account and this is the setting section. Okay, when you install the VS Code, some more things you have to install, like live server. Okay, I have already installed. You have to type it here, live server. So this will become live server. Okay, so the option is coming. You have to install. I already installed this service. You have to install. Now next service. Suppose you practice on Python, so you have to write down install Python also. So when you write down the Python, so it's opening Python. So this Python you have to install because you are doing the Python. So you have to Python also install. Okay. So these extension you have to need, you have to install. Okay, got it. So this is the way we have to download our VS Code. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and please share most uh, um, of the student. Okay. Now we meet in the next um, class. So I will show you how to set up your GitHub account and so many other things. Okay. Thanks for watching.